Y'all remember JJ, Justin Johnson, the bang bang shoot 'em up alleged shooter, killer of young Dolph? Well, here's what he's been up to.
Hey, Stephanie, Justin Johnson privileges were revoked after he posted a song on YouTube while in custody at 201 Poplar. It's a decision that jail officials say posed a safety risk. However, not everyone sees it that way.
Justin Johnson returned to court Friday in hopes of having his phone and visitation privileges restored.
This creates an appearance of partiality.
Johnson is being represented by Luke Evans, who argued that his client has been deprived of his basic rights since a court order was issued back in November.
He hasn't had the ability to correspond with anyone in his own right. He's not had the ability to have his phone privileges reenacted so he could correspond with people by phone.
The order was put in place by Judge Lee Coffey after Johnson released a song called No Statements from 201 Poplar, where he addressed the death of the rapper Young Dolph, saying, quote, "Say I'm a rapper, the state says that I'm a paid killer." Actions that led to the Shelby County Sheriff's Office to conduct an internal investigation, and they determined who made the recording and restricted their visitation. Not only were Johnson's phone privileges and visitation rights discussed, but also a motion that found by his attorney to have Judge Lee Coffey recuse himself from the case.
It can't get more personal, directed at the defendant, than to say, I'm going to isolate you from the outside world except for your lawyer, indefinitely.
Ultimately, Judge Coffey denied the motion to recuse himself and decided to keep Johnson's current restrictions in place.
This court has a caretaking responsibility to make sure that Mr. Johnson is safe, to make sure that the public is safe, and to make sure that he gets a fair trial.
And Johnson is set to appear in court again on June 9th, where they could hold a hearing about his jail privileges. We're now reporting here live downtown. Jordan James, WREG, News Channel 3.
It's called privileges. Yeah, it's called privileges, meaning you are privileged. It's not a right. I don't get it. You dummies. Well, I mean, your lawyer has to do this. Let's not get mad at the lawyer. Hold on. Lawyer has to do this. I get all that and everything like that. The lawyer absolutely has to do this. But what the lawyer doesn't have to do is try to be dumb. You pissed off the judge, trying to get him to recuse himself. Basically saying that the judge is, the judge is biased and he don't need to be doing it. All right. And then the part about him getting a fair trial, do y'all realize by this dummy putting out the song, that means the public will hear it? Ain't no telling who gonna be in there and then basically say, you know what? Nah, I can't be unbiased because you know what? I heard the song and I think he did it. You hurt your chances. They want them to have a fair trial. Why have a fair trial? Because somebody heard their music. If there's a young, let's say a young hip dude, right? Maybe white, black, Hispanic, whatever, I don't care. If he really was going to be honest and you heard that song screams I'm guilty. So more than likely, an older person is going to sit there and basically go to trial. I would rather have a young jury than an older one. Because for some odd reason, they're going to automatically believe whatever cop comes up and testify, whatever reports they see. That's how that goes. Dummy, bruh. He ain't getting his phone privileges back, and you messed it up. It's a privilege. It is not a right. There's a difference. Idiot. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Do y'all think his phone privileges should be restored? Do y'all think, man, you know what? The judge needs to go ahead and say F it so this dummy can mess up again? Or do y'all believe like me? Let me know y'all thoughts on this one. Share to keep your people aware. Subscribe, turn on that bell to stay notified. I will catch y'all at the next one. Y'all know, again, we're going to be going live tonight. Hey, check out American Alpha Male. We dropped such fire content last night. Niggas
that murder you, the avenue ain't heard of you. You were just a bump in the road, niggas that heard of you. Walk up all black, burn and conversate with you. Gun on the left side, let the metal resonate in you. Here, let me play with you wherever I pop off. These bullets wanna stay with you, lay with you and raping you. Hear our visits, last words, family, we finna pray for you. Call, watch us, bury you. Get the money in the day or two. Casket music, the band wanna play for you. 40 cal on the mic, AK and vocal crew. Tears in their eyes sideways when they approach you. Baby mama and your bastard, y'all don't wanna